Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be making an asymmetrical ruffle skirt. So we're going to start by tracing the skirt at your desired length, then flipping on the center line and tracing that. To create the curve, just mark out the dots and trace that. And then trace at the desired length the back block and add 1/2 inch seam allowance all the way around because we're going to be putting in a zipper. Create a rectangle that starts 5 inches wide and tapers to 1 inch that is 53 inches long. This is for the front piece, and then we're going to create another rectangle 5 inches by 36 inches for the back, and then one more that's 5 inches by 25 inches for underneath the front. And all the measurements could change just depending on your own size. Start by tracing all your pattern pieces. Make sure to cut 2 of the rounded front piece. And then you're going to cut the back in 2 pieces. I accidentally cut mine on fold, but I just ended up cutting it open, so there's 2 pieces to insert the zipper and all that. And now I'm just working on cutting out the rectangles following the sizes that I mentioned in the beginning. So I always just start off with the darts because it's the easiest to just do them and then connect all the other pieces. You're just gonna pin it notch to dart point, and then so from notch to dart point I usually use the bobbin thread just to use it as a guide and make it easier. And now I'm just pinning the back pieces right sides together. And I ended up using like a colored pin just to mark where the zipper would end, like the metal part of the zipper kind of thing, so that I could do a wider stitch and then stop and continue and do a smaller stitch. And now I'm putting the front pieces right sides together to the back, and you're not attaching the front pieces to each other, it's just to the back, the sides of them. And for all the rectangle pieces, I hemmed one end and then did a gathering stitch just along the top, so that's just your longest stitch. And now I'm just going to work out by matching the rectangles to the specific skirt pieces and just kind of shrinking it down by gathering it. I'm going to sew all of the frilly pieces together just at 1/2 inch. Attach that all the way around the skirt. So now I just wanted to attach the actual skirt to itself by sewing it to the already placed seams just at 1/2 inch at the edges, and then I did it right sides together for the front piece so it would fold inwards and you wouldn't see any seams or anything. And then for the zipper placement, I just pinned it to the actual seam allowance and not to the skirt itself. And then I did a top stitch all the way around the zipper and stitch ripped it. And I just used bias tape, sewing it right sides together to the outside, turning that, like folding that in, and then just doing a sort of top stitch to finish the inner edge. So you won't see the blue bias tape, it's on the inside. And that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed. Check out the other video for the rest of this two-piece outfit, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!